Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. The votes are in, and the winner of our community poll is Gwen Stacy, aka Gwenom. So today, I'll be painting this Gwenom miniature step by step, sharing my techniques and color choices along the way. If you enjoy miniature painting, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. The model is already primed in black, which is a great starting point for a darker, more dramatic look. But to add some subtle variations in shading, I'll apply a few extra colors. One of those is night blue, a deep, rich blue that works well to create shadows and highlights without overpowering the black base. I won't be applying this all over, just in select areas to give the suit a bit of dimension. This step is important because, while Gwenom's suit is mostly black, a pure black model can look flat. Adding different tones helps bring out the details. Next up, I'll start working on the spider symbols across the model. For this, I'm keeping it simple, just using pure white. White contrasts beautifully against the dark suit, making the symbols stand out. This part requires a steady hand because precision is key. If you ever make a mistake, don't worry. You can always go back with some black paint to clean up the edges. Now, let's add some extra detail to the veins that run across the suit. Instead of just painting them, I'm using decal fix to create a wet, liquid effect. This makes them look more organic, almost like they're pulsing with energy. It's a small detail, but it really adds to the overall look of the model. Now, let's move on to Gwen's face, one of the most important parts of the model. A well-painted face can really bring a miniature to life. For her skin, I'm using a combination of light flesh, sunny skin tone, basic skin tone. This mix creates a natural, balanced complexion. I start with a base layer, then gradually build up highlights and shadows. For the hair, I decided to keep it simple this time and use just sunny skin tone. It gives a soft, natural blonde look without too much contrast. Sometimes, less is more. Now let's move on to the teeth. To make them pop, I'm painting them white and then applying black wash to create shading between the teeth. This technique makes them look more realistic and prevents them from looking too bright or unnatural. Around the eyes, I've added some soft shadows to enhance her expression and give her a more dynamic look. For the lips, I've chosen Evil Red, a bold, deep red that contrasts nicely with her pale skin. It adds a bit of intensity and makes her look more striking. Finally, we have the base. Instead of my usual cold gray for the stones, I'm going with plague brown. This gives the rocks a slightly aged, weathered look. To add depth and make the details stand out, I apply black wash, which settles into the crevices and enhances the texture. And here it is, the finished Gwenom miniature. I'm really happy with how it turned out, especially the way the spider symbols and vein details stand out against the darker tones. What do you think? Would you have chosen different colors, or do you like this approach? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you want to see more miniature painting content, hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.